Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. So the today's task is tenses. As we have started our reading section, and the tenses is a very important task in our reading section. Tenses plays a major role in our fill in the blanks, reorder paragraphs and reading writing fill in the blanks. So what is tenses? Do you know that? What the tenses means? Tense means the time. Okay, tense means the time. And work, how you can elaborate it? Tense shows us a time of the work. Okay, like time, how many types of time are there? Do you know that? Present, past and future time. It means that we have three types of tenses, and like present tense, okay, past tense and future tense. So these three are the times present, past and future. And what is work? Time shows a work situation, like work. In present tense we have simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and simple continuous. These four are the work of the time. Okay, and present tense, in present time you have simple sentence, present continuous sentence, present perfect sentence and simple continuous. It means that I am boy, it's present simple tense. Okay, and present continuous, I am going to Australia, it's continuous tense. And present perfect tense is I am in Australia. Okay, it's present perfect tense. And the last one, simple continuous, we eliminate it because we don't use it in our reading section. Okay, it's minor use. So similarly we have same kind of working criteria in our past and future tense. Means that past simple tense, past present, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past continuous tense, same. And in future we will also get the same kind of working criteria. So what is tenses? Tenses is a time and it shows the time of the work. Okay, and time of the work is denoted as a simple tense, simple tense, continuous tense and perfect tense and simple continuous tense. Now moving to the another part of this tenses, the forms which are used in tenses for indefinite and continuous perfect tenses. Okay, in indefinite tenses you will get a simple sentence like uh, she understands English. Okay, in continuous form, she is reading books. Reading book. In perfect tenses, present perfect tense, you have to take it as a she has a car. Now these three sentences are representing present tense forms. Okay, means that she understands or she does. She, sorry, it's simple tense. Now what we have to do is, and again I am writing another word with a does and do. She does not understand English. Do you know him? Do me a favor. All three sentences are representing do or does. It means that these sentences are indefinite and simple sentences. Okay, and in your second sentence, she is reading books or she is learning language. She is learning language. She is going to Australia. Kindly note that whenever you write a country or name of the person, it will be in a capital. First words of the sentence, first words of the country or name will be the capital, and starting the sentence will be also the capital. So these are the forms of is, am, are, which is continuous form, means that the work is going on, it's not completed. She is reading book, it means she is continuously reading the book. She is learning language, she is learning the language. She doesn't completed her tasks with learning language. She is going to Australia. Okay, she has a car. It means it is representing a perfect present tense, has, have. Okay, has, have. She has a car. One another example, he has donated his all belongings. You have good knowledge. It means that it means that these three sentences are directly representing the perfect present tense. Has, have means that you are going to represent the tense form with present tense perfect continuous. Now moving to the past tense examples. Examples of past tense is in present indefinite tense. Did you get a car in your wedding? Did he go to the market? All are the past tenses. Past sentences. What these sentences are representing? These sentences are representing past indefinite tenses. Okay. Now moving to the was were means that continuous tense. I was going to the market and he met there. We were working together. What it is representing? It is representing past continuous tense word. The sentence which was the work which was started in the past and it is going on, it's not completed. Okay, so past continuous tense represents a continuous form of the sentence. Now has had. He had a pencil or he had gone to the market. We have we have lots of work. Okay, we have lots of work. Now what it is representing? These sentences are representing directly to the past perfect tenses. He had, we had, she has had. Now why I have used has, have in your present tense and why I am not using has, had in your past tense? Because singular plural choice, like whenever we use she or he means that singular item, then we have to use has, and if we use have then we have to use plural sentence means you, they, them. And had, in past tenses we have only one form had. We will use it in both forms like singular and plural. He had, we had, you had. It will be used on both sides. Moving to the future tense. How many types of future tenses? Indefinite and continuous tenses. The perfect tense are never used. Okay, but in perfect tense we have to use as a will be or shall be. Okay, but in today's lecture we will be going to cover will or shall. The examples for will shall we have is we will like it once we watch. Shall I go? We will be going to the market. Now in all three sentences we have some indefinite tenses continuous, like we will like it once we watch, it's indefinite tense. And how can we use shall will be used as a question or some kind of simple tenses. But for your continuous tense you have to use a sentence like we will be going to the market, we will be coming, we will be eating in this restaurant in future. Okay. Our tense video has been completed by on our site. If you have any kind of question, then comment us, we will definitely help you to get your clear your queries as well. uh, Before starting, the first and foremost task is, before starting your tenses, do familiar with the singular plural, as I had already discussed in our starting of this video. So try to make sentences uh, on the forms of the tenses like indefinite, present indefinite, do or does, using do or does sentences, or using is mr to make a sentence perfect for perfect tense, per present perfect tense, has have, use the has have to make a perfect tense. Okay, similarly use past tenses, use the form of did for present indefinite or simple tense. Okay, try to use these tenses for at least one day. Try to use these forms for at least one day. I think you will get a good knowledge, good skills about tenses or about making a sentence. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more updates.